Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Instagram broadcast channels. So first open Instagram and then go to your messages. And if the broadcast channel feature is available for your account, then you'll be able to create or join channels from the appropriate messaging options. If you're creating a channel, then choose the option to create a broadcast channel. Then enter a channel name and select your preferred audience and other available settings. Once your channel is created, you can send updates, announcements, photos, videos, polls, and other supported content to your followers. And if you want to join someone else's channel, open their channel invitation and then tap join. Then you'll receive updates from that channel in Instagram. So that was it for this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.